All right, this video is going to get us really close to the main purpose of why we're here, which is to color code our calendar so that we can, one, identify our progress toward the standards for family engagement liaisons, and also be able to identify needs within our school. So if we see more of one color than another, that might prompt us to reflect on why and make a plan moving forward to spread out the different types of activities that we're doing within our schools. So what I'm going to show you in the Outlook web app is how to color code. So this one's not as intuitive as some of the other features, so be sure to follow along. So right here, yesterday I traveled to Everett, and I didn't put my travel time on there, so you see that I have some travel time. In order to add your color codes, you do have to create an appointment within your calendar. So that's why I'm just going to do travel. I don't have to share that with anybody. It's just for my own purposes. And so that's one that I can just randomly add, and it's not going to affect anything else. So to add a new appointment, you just double click, and it even prompts you right here to do so. So you just double click in the time slot that you need, and it'll come up with a window. Now this is where you add your color codes. Okay, so at the top it says save and close. You can add an attachment, image, it can be recurring. There's all these features up here. But this colored box, it has these 4 colors, is where you'll add your categories. So pull down that menu. You go to your manage categories, and I already have my color codes in there, but you go to manage categories, and you can create a new one. Okay, so you pull down this drop-down menu, and you select the color that would be for one of your requirements. So for me, purple is travel time. So I'm going to add purple, and I'm going to call that travel. Push OK, and it will add right here at the bottom of all of my different categories. So when I'm finished adding all of my colors, I just go ahead and push OK. You'll see on my calendar that I can add my subject, which is travel, and go to that new category that I just listed in order to color code. Now, you'll find that some of your activities have multiple different colors that it would go along with, different categories that it would go along with. So in that case, you could just go ahead and select multiple and unselect if you don't need it. So then you just have to click away from that box. So if I click within, it will select the color. If I click on the other outside, you can see that now it has the color for that category in order for me to organize my calendar. I'm going to change my time here. It doesn't take an hour to travel. And then I just push save and close. Now you can see on my calendar, it lists my travel time with that new category that I just listed. So you can see my colors are different with that, just so I could show you how to add that color. So it just automatically pops up on your calendar. Now it's all color coded.